Hey guys, have you ever wanted to have an experienced trader sitting alongside you as you trade the markets and helping you and guiding you through? Now, our ProTrend system virtual coach is here. It helps you, it guides you, it tells you what to do at certain price levels. I'm sure you've sat there thinking, well, where shall I trail my stop? Where shall I get out of the trade? Where shall I get into the trade? Well, the ProTrend system virtual coach does all that for you now. You just turn it on and turn it off. This is great for beginners. Let's take a little look at this trade here on the ProTrend system. Now we've got an automated buy signal at 131.14 right here. What should you do? Well, just turn the coach on because it says here this is where you want to enter the trade. So if you're ever in doubt, it actually guides you and gives you that confidence to know what to do at this certain level. But where should you place your stop? Because not every trade works out. Well, the ProTrend system automatically generates that stop for you. In this case, it's 130.99. But what should I do there? Just turn on the coach because it says to you, this is where you place your stop at this number. Now, the most challenging thing for me, I see when I'm coaching students and traders how to trade, especially new traders, is how do you manage the profits? Where do you get out? Well, there's no more guessing because the virtual coach will tell you what to do at these numbers, which are automatically generated at the best possible price for you to exit the trade. Also, on the top left hand side now, we've added this fantastic feature where you can see what your risk reward ratios are. So I know now that if it hits this number after our buy signal, that I've made 2 to 1 risk reward. I've risked 1 to make 2. And that's what trading's all about. We want to make more profits than we lose, okay? And when we're in a winning trade, we want to make sure we're trying to make multiple profit ratios. And you can see here target number 3 at 134.05. If the price of this market hits there, then we have made 8.7 times exactly our risk on the trade. So we know now what our risk reward ratios are. Also, position sizing. I see new traders struggle with doing the correct position size. All you've got to do now with the ProTrend system virtual coach is add your account size that you're going to be trading with, and you can do that all in the back end. It's really easy. How much percent you want to risk on this trade, and then it gives you your position sizing over here. Okay, so it's really easy and it works on all different type of trading accounts. So ProTrend system virtual coach does virtually everything now. It guides you through, it coaches you through the trades, whether you're going long or short. So if we had a short signal, the writing and the text on the right hand side of the coach will turn into red writing to know that you're in a short trade. If it's green, it's going to be in green text. And if you ever want to know what your risk reward ratio is, you just need to turn it on the left hand side. So if you're always trying to get 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, you're going to know exactly what price level every trade you do, where that 2 to 1 risk reward ratio is. This is our new ProTrend system virtual coach, guys. Absolutely fantastic feature. It has a trading stop feature as well. It will turn on. All you got to do is just turn it on, the trading stop feature, and it will lock in those profits. So you've made money on the trade. You cannot lose on that trade because then it tells you exactly where to put that trading stop. Our ProTrend system virtual coach is fantastic, guys. Make sure you get hold of it. There's a cracking deal for you at the moment. Click on the link below, book a call back, and we'll tell you all about it. Don't miss out on it, guys. It is brilliant.